Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,100. This truck shows 194,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a bright red exterior complemented by a clean beige interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appearance. Under the hood, it runs on a powerful 5.7L Vortec V8 gasoline engine, known for its reliability and strong performance. The truck is fitted with cold air conditioning, providing excellent comfort in warm weather. Both the engine and transmission are in excellent working condition, offering smooth shifts and dependable power delivery. It has valid registration plates through September 2026, so it's fully ready for the road. Overall, this 1998 Chevy Silverado 1500 is a solid and well-maintained full-size pickup that blends durability, comfort, and classic style.
Number 2.
1996 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000. The truck is an exceptionally well-preserved extended cab pickup with an 8-foot bed, showing only 138,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong and smooth-running 7.4L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers dependable performance and effortless driving. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, it retains all of its original body panels and paint, showing no signs of accidents, confirmed by a clean Carfax report. The vehicle has always been stored indoors and meticulously maintained throughout its life, reflecting the care of its previous owner. Equipped with 2WD, ice-cold air conditioning, and all systems functioning exactly as they should, this Sierra 2500 combines reliability with classic durability. It also rides on brand new tires with fewer than 500 miles of use, further emphasizing its readiness for the road.
Number 3.
1986 Ford F150, price $6,700. Beautifully maintained classic pickup finished in red inside and out, featuring an automatic transmission and powered by a reliable straight-six engine paired with a C6 transmission. The truck has been tastefully updated with a retrosound radio, though the driver's side door speaker is currently non-functional while the passenger side speaker works properly. The carburetor was replaced by the previous owner, who also had the truck repainted just before purchasing it, giving it a clean and vibrant finish. Impressively, the truck is completely free of rust, and it comes with numerous interior components and spare parts that will be included in the trade. This F-150 has received several recent maintenance updates, including a new thermostat and gasket, a new transmission pan gasket, lower ball joints, tie rod ends, spark plugs, and plug wires. While it's in solid running condition, it still needs a few items addressed: engine mounts, new tires, a transmission dipstick tube gasket, a vacuum accumulator, and an oil pan gasket to be fully dialed in.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet S10, price $10,000, with 66,000 miles on the odometer and a 5-speed manual transmission that perfectly complements its performance-oriented setup. Painted in a vibrant red finish, this truck immediately catches attention with its clean body lines and polished appearance. Under the hood lies a powerful 383 engine, offering plenty of torque and performance for both cruising and spirited driving. It's equipped with power steering and power disc brakes for better handling and control, while the Flowmaster exhaust system delivers a deep, throaty rumble that highlights its V8 character. The truck rides on stylish well-draglite wheels, giving it a timeless drag-inspired look. Inside, the cabin maintains a simple yet classic appeal, suitable for both daily driving and weekend fun.
Number 5.
1991 Chevrolet Silverado, price $4,500. This truck is a rare V6 5-speed manual 4x4 truck, featuring a gooseneck trailer hitch that makes it excellent for towing. With 123,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives great and offers a solid foundation for a restoration or project build. The exterior is finished in black, showing some faded paint and minor dings from age, but the truck remains mechanically strong. The undercarriage has been completely redone, ensuring a rust-free structure, and it comes with a clean Texas title in hand. While the interior needs attention, including a new dashboard, headliner, and some replacement door panels, the truck's overall condition is sound.
Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,950. Dependable and straightforward full-size pickup that has covered 248,000 miles. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a sturdy V6 gasoline engine, delivering consistent performance and reliability. The truck comes in a red exterior color with a gray interior, a classic combination that complements its timeless Silverado styling. It carries a clean title and has been well maintained over the years, showing the durability and long-lasting build quality Chevrolet trucks are known for. While the paint has faded and the dashboard has a visible crack, these cosmetic imperfections do little to detract from its solid mechanical condition. The tires and wheels are in great shape, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. Overall, this 1997 Silverado offers simplicity, strength, and reliability.
Number 7.
1967 Ford F250, price $7,500, features a 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, along with power steering and power brakes. Finished in a classic green exterior with a black interior, it runs on gasoline and carries the authentic charm of its era. The truck is currently owned by its third owner, with the first two being a father and son, showing a well-kept lineage. While it does need a brake booster and front shocks, everything else is in working condition, including the spotlight and AM radio, which add to its vintage character. Despite showing the typical rust expected from a truck of this age, it runs great and drives true to its time, making it a perfect choice for enthusiasts who appreciate a solid, drivable classic that can be enjoyed and restored along the way.
Number 8.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior, running on gasoline. The truck recently had new fuel injectors installed along with a good used plenum. However, it currently has a vacuum leak that causes it to rev up and idle around 3,000 revolutions per minute upon startup. Despite this issue, it remains a solid truck overall. The injectors previously failed, which caused a hole in the top of the intake manifold, but aside from that, it's in good condition. With its classic styling, dependable automatic transmission, and original low mileage, this Chevrolet 1500 represents a reliable full-size pickup that only needs minor mechanical attention, specifically injector and intake manifold replacement, to be fully road-ready again.
Number 9.
1986 GMC 1500, price $7,500. It features a 6.2L Detroit diesel engine equipped with a Banks turbocharger, delivering strong performance and reliability. The previous owner recently replaced the harmonic balancer, ensuring smooth operation. The truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, both in good condition. It's paired with an automatic transmission and runs on diesel fuel. This GMC starts up easily even on cold mornings, and all systems are fully functional, including the heating and air conditioning. On the road, it drives exceptionally well, with tight steering, responsive shocks, and highway gearing that allows it to cruise comfortably at 80 miles per hour without issues. It also comes equipped with dual 20-gallon fuel tanks.
Number 10.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in blue both inside and out, giving it a timeless vintage appeal. Powered by a reliable V8 350 engine paired with a TH350 transmission, the truck runs smoothly and performs well on the road. It has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new brake pads, rotors, calipers, lines, master cylinder, booster, drums, and shoes, ensuring confident stopping power. The carburetor has been rebuilt for improved performance, and a RetroSound Bluetooth radio has been installed to combine classic style with modern convenience. While the truck could benefit from some bodywork, several replacement panels are included, offering the next owner an opportunity to restore it further.